Okay, boys and girls, we are now going to finish the rest of our map. So we have all of the 7 continents, and we have the oceans as well. We have the 5 oceans, but remember we made Pacific Ocean twice. So in order to finish, we need to add a title at the top. So I'm going to go to my text box, and I'm going to click. And you can say, world map. Like we have at the top, we can say my world map, and whatever you like to choose that describes the map. So I'm going to write world map, and then I'm going to highlight, click, hold, go to my numbers, and I'm going to make it probably 36 is probably fine. You can even make it 30. I wouldn't make it any more than that. And then we want to say, you can say by. Now, since we're saying by, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to say by Miss Rachel, and then you can say your class number. So if I were in 115, I would say Miss Rachel 115, 116, 117, 112, 113, whichever class you're in. So now we have world map and we have who it's by. Instead of putting my my title up, or my who it's by, I could also put it on the bottom if you wanted to do that instead. So I could also type it down here if you would like to do that. It's your choice where you want to put it. So go ahead and pause the video and finish that up. Now the very last thing we're going to do before we go on is we're going to add a we are here. So I'm going to go to this button right here that has a circle and the square. I'm going to click on the one that says shapes. In the shapes, I have lots of different kind of buttons for us. So I want to find one. Usually when we say we are here, we have like a star. We don't really have a star right here, but I might click this one that's like a sun. Now we're here in Mexico, so I'm going to add my little star, but I'm going to make it smaller because we need to put it here. And we're going to go right here in Mexico, saying that this is where we are. This is Guadalajara, Mexico. And so there we go. You have your map, you have where you are, we have our title and who it's by. Now you may go ahead, finish, and then you get to go on to the next North America project.